All right, today we're having a look at those Bradford numbers. So we're going to start with the numbers. A year ago in Bradford, July 21, we had 84 new listings come to market. We had 72 sales through the month, and then we had 49 active listings. Active listings are what didn't sell and carry over into the next month. June 22, we had 103 new listings come to market. We had 40 sales through the month, and then 113 active listings, which carried into July. And July, we had a reduction in the amount of listings. So we had 74, so we're about a 25% reduction. 32 sales through the month, so we saw a pullback there. Not shocking for the summertime. 97 active listings, so probably some listings coming off the market. People, it's a year where we've started off with lockdowns and, travel's been opened back up. So not shocking to actually see those numbers retreat a little bit. We're looking at the numbers. 1,067,000 was the average sale price in Bradford across all home types a year ago. 1,134,000 in June 22. Currently trending at 1,038,000. SNLR, known as the sales to new listings ratio, tells us out of the homes coming on the market each month, what's the percentage that are selling. So a year ago, we had 85% of the homes that came on the market in Bradford sold. 38% of the homes that came on the market in Bradford sold in June, currently trending at 43. So this number is calculated by looking at the sales divided into the new listings. So we've seen a retreat in both of these. So this number is growing a little bit, but again, it's really because of the lack of listings that have come on the market. So it'll be interesting to see how this trend goes forward into the August numbers, September and October. Months of inventory remaining tells us if no other homes came on the market after today at the current rate of buying or current rate of consumption, how long would it take to completely deplete the inventory? So we got 0.7 a year ago, 2.8 in June, and currently trending at 3.0. So 3 months of inventory, not the most I've seen right now in the GTA, and certainly, compared to some of those numbers back from 2017 when we saw the market adjust at that point, I still wouldn't say we're actually doing too bad. Even though the market has slowed, I still wouldn't say it's a slow market. Sale price to list price ratio, homes selling 104% of ask a year ago, 96% of asking in June, currently trending at 94. Days on market to get a home sold, 13 a year ago, 21 in June, currently trending at 28. Now, I'd say this is probably one of the more realistic numbers I'm seeing. I'm still seeing in a lot of markets, Newmarket, Aurora, East Gwillimbury, where these numbers are still in the teens. And we're seeing that because there's a lot of cancellation of listings and relists right now, where homes are coming off the market, going back on, being reintroduced at a new price. So, this number I think would be fairly accurate. So that would tell me that, when homes are being listed in Bradford, they're probably just sticking to that number and they're sticking it out until which point they're selling rather than being canceled and relist, because this number only represents how long it's taken to get that house listed during its current listing period. So if it gets terminated or canceled and then put back on, the number would reset from 0. Any questions about how this information translates to your Bradford house, or if you're considering making a change this year, I would love to talk to you about what's going on in the market.